first Gratama Workshop on the 22nd of April 2000. At that time, I was doing the same job as I am again doing now, after, 25 years. So you may think.
So, let me start my talk. So, the title of the talk is here. So, we have been studying about chemistry as well as biology.
I'll have to thank Mr. Fukashi for the introduction to glycobiology, because that's what I'm also talking about today. So I'll be talking about a specific enzyme and some inhibitors that we have for them.
To make this presentation. Most of research projects in my group are related to the development of catalytic reactions that involve activation of unreactive chemical bonds. But today, I will focus my discussion on the meta.
This workshop and keeping this tradition alive, because I think it's great to sort of honor the past. Now, I will do exactly the opposite of what was introduced. That is, I will not talk about this. I saw the immigration form and it said you have to declare
Thank you very much for the introduction, and I also thank the organizing committee for inviting me to present our work.
Previous two workshops, I talked about the photoredox catalysis, but today I would like to talk about our recent results.
Thank you very much. First of all, I would also like to thank the organizers for putting on this program and symposium. It's been interesting and nice so far.
This is my third time presentation at this series of the Gratama Workshop. And as Japanese, elderly Japanese person, my size is big, and I'm not so big boss. So today
So, as he mentioned, the morning session today is the digitalization driven transformative organic synthesis session. So, we are very pleased to have this session at the 7th Haratama Workshop.
So, I'm Jun Yamaguchi, the Waseda University. Today, I'm going to talk about my kind of title. The title is Breaking CF1, Novel Strategy Using Polar and Large Reactor Molecules by bond cleavage and bond formation at functional groups. Therefore, chem-selective transformation of the target functional group in multiple functional molecules.
Designing or manufacturing process designing or scaling up. So these are directed towards the practical implementation of, for example, functional materials or this kind of